Good morning, students. How are you today? Well, that's great. So I am Mrs. Tigli and welcome to our science class. So today we are going to learn about states of matter. So we have our lesson objectives for today. So at the end of the lesson, you should be able to first identify the three states of matter. Second, describe characteristics of solids, liquids, and gases. And the third one is classify objects according to their state of matter. All right? So let's begin by looking at these three objects here on my table. So I have here a chalk, a bottle of water, and a balloon filled with air. So can you observe them carefully? What do you notice about the chalk? Yes, correct. The chalk is hard and keeps its shape. What about a bottle of water? Yes, that's right. It flows and takes the shape of the bottle. And now look at this balloon. What is inside it? Correct. It is filled with air. We cannot see it clearly, but it fills in the balloon. All right. So today, these examples here will help us understand the three states of matter. Now, first we have the solid. Solid has a definite shape and volume. It has particles that are packed closely together and usually arranged in a regular pattern. So can you give me examples of solids? Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay, so these are examples of solids. You have the cup, shirt, book, and eraser. Right? Now let's proceed to liquid. So liquid has a definite volume but has no fixed shape. It has particles that can move and are in close contact. So can you give me examples of liquids? All right, that's great. So these are examples of some liquids. We have the maple syrup, shampoo, olive oil, and orange juice. And we have the gas. Gas has no definite shape and volume. It has particles that are widely separated. So can you give me some examples of gases? Right, very good. Now, so these are examples of gases. We have the helium in a balloon, steam from a kettle, argon in a tank, and nitrogen in a tank. Now, class, we are going to play a quick game called solid, liquid, and gas. So I will show you a card with a word or picture. And when you see the card, you will move your body to show the correct state of matter. So you listen carefully to the movement. So if the answer is solid, you are going to stand still like a statue. And if the answer is liquid, you are going to move your arms slowly like a flowing water. And if your answer is gas, you are going to spread your arms wide and move freely. All right? So let's practice first. So if I say rock, what should you do? Yes, you are going to stand still like a statue because a rock is a solid. Steam. Yes, you are going to spread your hands freely. Okay, and the last one, we have the oxygen. Right, bravo. That's great job, everyone. Now, we will move on to our hands-on activity. Now, you are going to go to your group, your small group, not the big group, your small group. All right, and then you are going to classify classroom objects here. So you're going to identify solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, you may start now. All right? So good job, everyone. And now for your exit ticket, you are going to write one example each of solid, liquid, and gas. Just write it on the paper I provided. Okay? All right. So now I have a final question here. So we call this as a thinking question. So why is water special? Everyone? Yes, because water can change state. So water is special because it can change state. So water can become ice when frozen, which is solid, right? And it becomes liquid when melted. And when heated, it becomes steam, which is gas. And that process is very important in our nature. So, all right. Good job, everyone. And thank you for being with my class today. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.